Now we saw that agricultural land is not a capital asset, which means what? Which means that any profits arising from sale of an agricultural land is not taxable in under the head income from capital gains. But it becomes important to see what is the meaning of agricultural land insofar as these provisions are concerned. Now the definition of agricultural land is basically given in section 2, subsection 14. What is agricultural land? Let us read first and then I'll explain this to you. Agricultural land in India which is not situated in any area. This means what? Let's say this larger circle represents India. Okay. Agricultural land is a land which is not situated within a defined area. Let's say the smaller figure represents the defined area. So this greener portion will mean the agricultural land. Okay. But to see what is lying within this greener circle, we need to understand what is within this area. Right? So there's a larger piece of agricultural land which is there. Okay. But the agricultural land on which capital gains do not arise is the one represented by the green area in the previous chart. Okay. Now what lies within that blue area is something which is 1 and 2. So if you have an agricultural land which is within jurisdiction of a municipality or a cantonment board which has a population of 10,000 or more according to the last preceding census published before the first day of previous year. So let's say for example, this is an agricultural land. If this agricultural land is situated within the jurisdiction of a municipality, what does it mean? In India, all these land is divided into various municipalities, cantonment boards, gram panchayats and all those things. So if it is an agricultural land which is within the jurisdiction of a municipality, so let's say you have Delhi Municipal Corporation, okay, or you have any other municipal corporation. This municipal corporation is entrusted with taking care of a particular area. So if this agricultural land lies within the jurisdiction of this municipality or a cantonment board, and this municipal corporation has a population of greater than 10,000. It's actually, 10,000 is a very small number, but it is the way it is. So if this agricultural land lies within the municipal area, which has a population of more than 10,000, as per the last preceding census, then this agricultural land is not an agricultural land for the purpose of income tax. When I say not an agricultural land for income tax means what? The profits arising from sale of such land are going to be taxable. Let's also look at the second condition. Within 8 kilometers from the local limits of a municipality or a cantonment board referred to in item A, as the central government may specify in this behalf by notification in the official gazette. So let's say this is a municipal corporation, okay, municipality, cantonment board, whatever you might call it, right? The first agricultural land which we spoke here had to be within its jurisdiction. So let's say the jurisdiction of municipality is this green portion. For point number 1, as long as you are within this jurisdiction, even if it is an agricultural land, it is covered, right? Meaning thereby that any agricultural land situated within this area, if you sell it, then the profits arising from that are chargeable to tax under the head capital gain. The second point says that even if you lie within 8 kilometers, so whether it's on the right side, upside, downside, left side, if you are lying within 8 kilometers from the jurisdiction of this municipal corporation, okay, even then you will not be given the beneficial treatment given to agricultural land for capital gains purposes. Right? So 2 points. 1, if you are within a municipality or a cantonment board, no benefit. Even when you are within 8 kilometers, then also no benefit. And when I club these two, this circle basically is nothing but this blue portion that I spoke to you earlier. So this blue portion basically comprises of two things. One, either the jurisdiction of a municipal corporation or a municipality or a cantonment board, or the distance of 8 kilometers within which that agricultural land lies. Beyond this, whatever is any agricultural land in India, that is exempt from capital gains tax when it is sold by the owner. Right? Let us move on to the next slide now.